Hi, it's Charlie giving you Monday's market commentary. I hope you're very well. And I just wanted to start off with just a follow-up actually to last week, because last week I think I showed some testimonials, but I've got some more for this week. And so I wanted to show some different testimonials following on from the last MBT video that goes out to our MBT people. Giving them the heads up on trades, and so it was on the Aussie dollar, and so the Aussies had this good run, and it was through this good run that was where the signals came in. And what I wanted to do is bring up some more of these testimonials to show you just the realities of trading and what happens with traders. Because Sam puts these testimonials together, she gets them all emailed in, and then she puts them onto her documents, and then she can email them over to us so we can have a look and see what people are saying. So I thought it was quite interesting, and this is the reality of trading, because although you get the people who say, yeah, look on this one, I made 320 whatever it was, 205 pips, almost at the second target for 320 pips. Yes, I took 105. You can see that different people come out at different levels. That's fine. They're all good risk-reward trades on these, so it doesn't really matter what levels they're coming out. But what we'll also see is that some people didn't even get in on the trades, and that's fine as well, because that's what makes the market. So let's have a look through here, and this is the reality of trading. Hi Sam, hope you're well. Yes, she took this, but also Douglas took the Aussie trade and also a swing short on dollar CAD as well. Okay, yeah, and going well. So he's doing well there. And then here's another one. Look, no, but followed the progress, and we'll follow his next suggestion, Gavin A. There you go. So. But that's the reality, because people won't always manage to get it. Here was another one. Look, I was unfortunately away on business without any decent data, so regards John H. He didn't get in. There's another one. Morning Sam. Unfortunately I didn't. Completely my own fault, and a great lesson from the market getting rid of my overconfidence. I was so convinced price was going to drop for me to get a great entry. Stupidly took a short with the intention of reversing when it dropped. Needless to say, I never got there. I got stopped out and never managed to get on the long side. So this individual missed out completely, but still saying that shame to miss out on his first losing trade on MBT for some time, but definitely prices education for him, and a great call. And this individual, Brad P, certainly did get on the Aussie, traded, took some good points, probably should have run it for longer, but very happy as a result. Another great MBT result. Here's another one. Yes, got an Aussie. Closed the long position this morning. Yes, long. Yes, Steve. Yes. 330 pips on that one. Chris V. 300 pips for David T as well. Right. So again, just shows you the difference. And this is what someone's saying. Love the update videos. Even if I didn't get in on the trades mentioned, there's always a little pearl of wisdom. Sorry, Sam's not put the individual's name on that one, so I don't know where that one's come from. Yes, I got in a good trade with Charlie, Paddy. That's from Paddy. So again, you're seeing this sort of a good. This is the realities of trading. That doesn't matter. You put out an alert. Different people are going to come out at different levels for different amounts of pips. You're going to. Some people might have been away. Oh, I didn't manage it because I wasn't around. You get someone else who tries to get clever with it, and that's the reality of trading. So I just wanted to show you some of those testimonials, because Easy Trader, it's all about the realities of trading, and it's the same with our testimonials. They're all real. This is the reality of receiving testimonials, is that you're going to see what people have and what they haven't done. So I just thought I'd share that with you today. But that's all around that MBT. And and it has been good. We've had good runs this year, so on it. So where do we go to next, though? That's the question. I'm 4 minutes into this video. Where do we go to next on the likes of the Aussie dollar? Right, okay. Let's make this really easy. I'm not going to go through MBT pips things with you, am I? But what I will say is, okay, let's put the pen on. And if Aussie dollar breaks out up above this range, then I'm looking for this 75 area, which is the 200-day moving average. It's fairly simple there. So if Aussie dollar breaks and closes outside of this range, should I say, then we should be a shoe-in for this 200-day moving average, so up around about the 75-ish area. So that's where I'm looking at the Aussie right now. It could want to come down and chop around for a couple of weeks. It's possible that it wants to back off and come down for a couple of weeks, but if it does break up and close back up there, then that's what I'll be looking for. So that's the Aussie dollar. Let's go and have a look at the euro dollar as well. And this one's euro's interesting because it's backing off a little bit at the moment on the daily charts, but still, overall it's still been obviously going up. One thing with the euro dollar, if I put it on, we've been looking at this for quite a long time in the trading room, is if I put up the trend line, that pretty much, oops, it's not going to be perfect on here. But if I put that trend line on there, we've had this trend line in place since March of this year. Now, if the euro was to start to roll over and come below this daily 21 and start to roll over in the 8 and 21 cross, then I suspect that the euro will want to make a beeline for this trend line and want to come down to test that. So keep an eye on that on the euro dollar. It's possible that if it starts to roll over, it's still got more work to do to roll down further yet. We'll be needing it to be down into the 112s before I can really start looking at that. But it is a potential there. Now overall with the euro dollar, it's been holding up rather well. It has at the end of the day made a number of highs around the same levels now, and so we keep on getting rejected. I'm wondering whether we're going to get another rejection. If we get another rejection, quite often what happens is when you get a pattern like this, I'll tell you what the pattern often goes like. So when the price keeps on getting rejected from a zone like that, is, let me just turn that off now, is that price will want to, I'll bring the normal pen up, come down, break these last lows, because this will be where a lot of the stops will be building up. So price will actually want to come down, take these lows out, and then eventually come all the way back up again. So that is a potential there as regards to this pattern now on the euro dollar. So I've been bullish, fairly bullish on the euro dollar. It's had a run, it's stopped. I still see the potential for more overall upside, but I can also see this pattern potentially playing out, and this could take months to play out something like this. So I'd need to see it break these lows back from sort of the September lows. Then I'd want to see it come back into its bands. So if it started coming down, come back into its bands, and then I'd be then looking to see if it then eventually then starts to come back up again, and then eventually go for the breakout of these. It doesn't have to do that, but that is certainly one scenario that could play out. Right, that's 7 minutes into this now, so we've gone through a bit on the realities of trading there and a bit of a full analysis there on this euro dollar, which is interesting. We'll see what happens. I shall leave you to it. No live trading this week because I'm away at the London Forex Show. I'm actually live trading at the London Forex Show, or London Investor Show, sorry, on Friday. So if some of you are going to be there, then look forward to seeing you then. Have a great week. See you soon.